Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ethan, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're trying to improve your English in a simple and fun way, this video is perfect for you. Today, we're talking about one of the most famous places in the United States, Times Square. Have you ever seen pictures of those huge screens, bright lights, and crazy crowds? Well, in this lesson, we're going to learn English by understanding why Times Square is so popular. I'll explain everything in easy English so you can listen, learn, and repeat. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's explore Times Square together, while improving your English at the same time. All right, let's get started. Times Square is one of the most famous places in the United States. It is located in the heart of New York City. Millions of people visit it every year. But have you ever wondered why Times Square is so popular? Let's talk about it in simple English. 1. The bright lights and giant screens. One of the biggest reasons Times Square is famous is because of its huge digital billboards. These screens are always glowing, shining, and changing pictures. They make the whole place look alive. Even at night. Many people say Times Square looks like daylight at night because it's so bright. This unique lighting makes people curious and attracts visitors from all over the world. 2. It never sleeps. Times Square is one of the few places in the world that is busy 24 hours a day. No matter when you visit, morning, night, or late midnight, you will always see crowds, lights, and energy. That's why people call New York the city that never sleeps. Times Square is the best example of that. 3. The energy and vibe when people visit Times Square. They feel a special kind of energy. There are street performers, musicians, characters, tourists from many countries. This busy atmosphere makes people feel excited, like they're standing in the center of the world. 4. Famous for movies and TV shows. Times Square has been shown in hundreds of movies and series. Spider-Man, The Avengers, Home Alone, King Kong, many New Year's Eve scenes. Because people see it in movies, they want to visit the real place. It feels familiar, like you've already been there. 5. New Year's Eve ball drop. Times Square is world famous for its New Year's Eve ball drop celebration. Every year, millions of people watch the ball drop on TV, and thousands gather in Times Square to see it. Love. This tradition started more than 100 years ago. It is one of the biggest New Year celebrations in the world. 6. Shopping, food, and attractions. People also visit Times Square because of big stores, street food, restaurants, theaters, souvenir shops. You can buy anything from cheap gifts to expensive electronics. Also, Broadway theaters are very close to Times Square. So many people come here before or after watching a show. 7. A symbol of New York City. Times Square represents freedom, dreams, earned life, American culture. When people think of New York, they picture Times Square first. It is like the face of New York City.